Hi there, we are at room 833 at Amara Hotel here in Tanjong Pagar, Singapore. So this is the kitchen area. They have a full kitchen area. Don't mind the stroller. Got a fridge and all of the plates here. Yes. And they have this little two stove here. And then here's the living room. So I'll show you what's our view. So the view is already the pool and the HDBs there and the famous condo there and all the offices, building offices. On the left side, this side, it has a king size bed and it has a walkway here with all the wardrobes. Carly! And this is the toilet area. Got a bathtub. Okay, let's go, honey. And this is the shower. Okay, come on, come on.
And what is the shower?
Okay, and then the overlooking here is also the pool area. The next room is over there. It has two single beds overlooking TV also. So yes, this is what it looks like. Nahanchi. And then it has a bigger walkway here. You can put your luggage here. Closet. Oh, you even have this for if you want to do your makeup. Here is the toilet. Okay, smaller toilet and only has the shower area and some space there. So yes, that's about it. This is last year that we used as well for the first birthday of my kid, and then we're here again. We love it, and it's very family friendly, and it has a lot of places that you can eat here. So yes, this is the full room review of the 2-bedroom apartment here at Amara Hotel Singapore in Tanjong Pagar during, you know, COVID times. And yes, if you would like to see other reviews or our Singapore life, just like and subscribe and click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new stuff from your gadget. And my nanny is laughing at me. And I see you next time in our next adventure. Yay! Bye! See?